List of installed repositories, Yum. In CentOS, how can I get a list of installed repositories?
Shows all enabled repositories. Those two commands are identical. Shows disabled repositories. Shows everything. Shows detailed information, including the URL.
This is the path of Yum repository. Root at localhost yum.repos.d #pwd / etc / yum.repos.d. This is the content of that directory. The difference between yum.conference and yum.repos.d is, in early R system yum.conference / etc / yum.conference was using, within a single file we have to configure everything. It was very congesting, so now what they did is, they created several repo files, instead of one repo file, and all the repos are kept under / etc / yum.repos.d / directory.
This page indicates that Yum keeps individual repository settings in the repository sections in / etc / yum.conference and .repo files in the / etc / yum.repos.d / directory. You should be able to see all the repositories from these two places. The link is about Red Hat SO-INF. From this link, also Red Hat Yum Config Manager repository might, or might not, achieve the same as above.
I would like to add, in case the server is using Spacewalk or part of Red Hat, this can be very useful to find the repository URL. Note, if the server is registered to Spacewalk, there will be no entries under / etc / yum.repos.d / at least using the command to register like.
Yum.